Hello crafty friends, welcome to another mixed media ideas video. Today I'm going to use another one of my heat embossed scraps of mixed media paper. To create this I dusted my paper with talcum powder to remove any moisture static or oily fingerprints. I then inked up a crackle stamp, pressed my paper down onto the inked surface and gave it a firm rub on the back. I then sprinkled over some white pearl embossing powder from Wow, the superfine version. It's a translucent powder but has a white pearl finish to it, as the name suggests. Once I'd shaken off the excess powder, I heated it with my heat tool. So here's the heat embossed piece ready to work on, and I've got some Distress Ink re-inker here in Salvage Patina. I'm going to put a drop, maybe 2 drops on my mat. Add some water to dilute it and then pick up that with my smusher and smush it on. You can smush before you heat emboss, but this way you get some interesting pooling of the colours that you add. I'm going to pick up this and smush it on another piece because I don't want to waste it. And now I'm going to take some Distress Ink in Cracked Pistachio. Again, it's a re-inker. I don't actually own the ink pads. I accidentally ordered these instead of the Distress Oxide ones, but I thought I'll keep them because I can use them. So I've watered that down, and this time I'm going to spatter on the ink. So again, it's landing and pooling in interesting ways amongst all that crackle. And I'll pick this up with my smusher and smush it on. If you want to know how to make a smusher, there is a video linked below. Now I'm going to dry this with my hairdryer. There are a few really deep stubborn pools there. I'm going to mop those up with a paper towel and finish drying it. I'm really liking the way that's looking. I think I can get a couple of squares out of this using these square dies. So these squares came out really well, just what I wanted. I've used the next size up dies to cut a white panel to stick these on. Yeah, quite a nice chunky border. I've got a 5 3/4 square card blank here, and I'm going to add the large square down in the left corner, and I've got the smaller one which I'll put up here, overlapping the large one, and I've put that on some craft foam so it's got a bit of extra dimension to it. For my sentiment, I've got a Let's Celebrate You. This is a print and cut sentiment. I do have lots of these that you can download and print at home and then cut out with a cutting machine or scissors. I'm going to put that in the centre of the big square. So for the little square, I thought I would cut 2 of these mirror image frondy branchy things out of some lovely pale gold leaf paper. This is one of those papers I bought back from Japan last year. To stick these down, I'm going to use some high-tech white glue and my glue dotter. If you want to know how to make a glue dotter, there's a video linked below. So I've added glue to the back of one, and I'm going to put it on top of that one. And if you squint, it's almost heart-shaped. Now I'll add glue to the back of the other one. And that can go on there like that. I wonder if I can, yeah, I can carefully peel them apart. I want them at a slightly different angle. A bit more like that. There we go. I'm going to lift up the edges of the leaves so they don't stick down. I want them to be a little bit dimensional. Bit 3D rather than completely flat, like that, or rather like that. And now I want to, I think, add a few white Nouveau drops on this one here, maybe 3 and 3, and then like that. And I think what it needs is a doodly border around the edge. A few lines on each side to match the black of the sentiment, because at the moment it's the darkest thing there, the strongest colour. I'll add a few squiggles for interest. And I'm thinking also these need black doodly border. It's probably a better idea to do the doodly borders before you put your Nouveau drops on. So there you go, one card made with that heat embossed scrap of paper. I hope you liked the card, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you've gleaned an idea or two. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here very soon. Bye for now.